Hello, this is World's Strongest Engine, Equation number 15. And this was a request. First up in core files is MightyMac and Connor. Let's try that again. One more time. I give that to my Mac. Next up is Emily and Stephanie. Emily takes it. Third is Arthur and Reneus. Reneus. Good job, Reneus. Last up is Molly and Dodge. Hooray for Molly. Now we're in the semifinals. First up is MightyMac and Emily. Great job, MightyMac. Sorry about my camera shaking. Going to fix real quick. Okay, that's better now. MightyMac has won against Emily. And last up in the semifinals is Reneus and Molly. Great job, Molly. Who's going to win World's Strongest Engine? Equation number 15. Will it be MightyMac? Or will it be Molly? Boing! Let's find out right now. Bing! Let's try that again. Excellent work, Molly. You have won number 15 of World's Strongest Engine Equation. Anything you want to say? Yes, I do. Yes, I like to say thanks for completing this challenge. Yep. Stay tuned for number 16.